First of all, have you recovered, and more importantly, have the players recovered?
Yeah, obviously it was a long flight back, but yeah, we've had a good couple of days of recovery. The journey went as smooth as it possibly could on the way back. Got off as quick as possible, and obviously it was a little bit of a late night getting back. But no, the lads have recovered yesterday, had a bit of time off, and today, same again really, just recovery and just get ready for the game.
Kérdés, hogy felépült-e ő maga és a játékosok, a válasz pedig az, hogy igen, hosszú volt az út, de sima volt haza, Bakuból. Késő este értünk haza, de tegnap pihenés volt.
Is everybody available to play 90 minutes?
Hope so. No, obviously we've got a few players who played 90 minutes for the first time, so it is important these next couple of days where they get the recovery in. And lads who got minutes that needed minutes. So, yeah, as always, it's a bit of a balancing act. The players who you more or less know won't be able to do 90 minutes. And, yeah, that will obviously impact on the selection.
Kérdés arra vonatkozott, hogy mindenki készen áll a 90 percre. Reméli, hogy igen. Többen első alkalommal játszottak 90 percet, ezért pihenniük kellett, de mindenki, akinek több percet kellett játszani, az megkapta. És ezt kell kiegyensúlyozni.
So can I specifically ask you about Gareth Bale and Aaron Ramsey? Are they both ready to start?
Yeah, I mean, they're both ready to start. Like I said, players that needed minutes. Gareth and Aaron were that, in that sort of scenario. Chris Mepham, Ethan, all these players who haven't had a lot of football, got the minutes that they needed. We were able to get Gareth off after getting some minutes, but and then Aaron as well, able to get him on the pitch, which was important as well. So yeah, everyone in the squad is available to start.
Hogy konkrétan Bale és Ramsey készen állnak a kezdőre. Igen, készen állnak. Ugye Bale 1 órát játszott, Ampadu is pályára lépett, korábban ők kevesebbet játszottak, és Ramseyvel is számol. Fontos volt, hogy be tudta cserélni.
Ryan, I'm going to make you blush. You won everything there was to win at club level as a player. So many Premier League titles, Champions League. But what eluded you and your teammates, Kevin Ratcliffe, Neville Southall, Ian Rush, greats of Welsh football, what eluded you was qualifying for a major championship with your country. How much is that a burning desire of yours now as a manager, and how much would that atone for what you missed out on Romania and Italy in history?
No, it's not about me. It's about the country as a whole. Getting to the major championships. I've talked about it before, about the team in 2016. Everyone, whether you were involved or whether you were a fan travelling to the games or watching it on TV, it was amazing. So if we can recreate that atmosphere, it's fantastic. It's not about individuals. As a player, I was a player. That's over now. Now I'm a manager, and I think we've put ourselves in a great position. And that's all we're in at the moment. We've still got one game to go and a tough game. So we'll need to win that game, obviously, to qualify.
Ryan, mindent megnyertél klubcsapataiddal, bajnokságot, a Bajnokok Ligáját, elődeidet viszont elkerülte a nemzeti csapattal való kvalifikáció. Ez neked mekkora nagy vágy, miért lenne ez fontos, hogy sikerüljön? Azt mondja, hogy ez nem róla szól, ez nem egyénekről szól, hanem az országról és a csapatról. Láttuk, milyen hangulat volt 2016-ban, ezt szeretnénk újra elérni, és most edző vagyok, most ez a lényeg, és jó helyen állunk, de még van egy meccs, ami nehéz lesz.
And how much will it count the players who've been there, qualified for Euro 2016, how much importance will they have in just making the youngsters? Because for some of these youngsters tomorrow, this will be the biggest game they've ever been involved in, won't it?
Yeah, I mean, obviously experience counts a lot, but also what I've seen in the young players is coming in and fearless. So help each other. The younger players can inspire the older players and vice versa. So I've got a good balance of players who've been there and done it, but also players who've got that hunger to recreate what the other lads did in 2016. So experience counts for a lot, but also the hunger and the desire, if you haven't been there before, to get there as well.
Mennyire fontos az, hogy a 2016-osok motiválni tudják a fiatalokat, akiknek ez lesz életük talán legfontosabb meccse. A válasz pedig az, hogy számít, a fiatalok nem félnek, és a fiatalok és az idősek egyszerre hatnak egymásra, a fiatalok az étvágyukkal, az idősebbek pedig a tapasztalatukkal. Oda-vissza segítik egymást.
Ryan, how are the young guys coping with the sort of pressure situation?
Yeah, I mean, it's where you want to be as a football player, playing in games where they mean something, big games. So, no, it's a really good atmosphere at the moment. We're in good form. We've gathered some momentum, but it doesn't count for anything, if you don't finish the job off. So, we know we're against a team that work hard, are organised, will make it difficult, and also they need to win as well. So we need to match their desire, their work rate, and show quality that we have shown lately. So if you don't do these things, then we won't win the game. But the younger players and the older players are ready. They're ready for the challenge, and that's what it is. It's a big challenge.
A fiatalokon mekkora nyomás van, itt akarnak lenni, ők döntöttek úgy, hogy itt lesznek, ez egy nagy meccs. Jó formában vagyunk, jó a hangulat, viszont a munkát be kell fejezni. Hiába játszottunk eddig jól, holnap nyerni kell, és be kell fejezni a munkát.
Over the autumn, you seem to have gathered momentum over the sort of last few windows. How important has Rob Page and the backroom staff been to you?
Well, yeah, all the staff are important. I've got a great set of staff, just like the players. You don't want to sort of just pick one person out. I come into a group of staff which was fantastic, and obviously Pagey's joined us halfway through. But yeah, I've known Pagey because I played with him, obviously. But yeah, we've got a good spirit within the staff and also the players. So, which is important, in any winning team, you need good team spirit, and we've got that both on and off the pitch.
Mennyire fontos a személyzetnek és a háttérstábnak a szerepe? Bizonyos Rob Page-et említették meg. Nem akar egyenként kiemelni senkit, de fontos, hogy ő csatlakozott a csapathoz. Korábban ismerte, játszottak együtt. A hangulat jó, és a játékosok mellett a személyzet és a háttérstáb is nagyon fontos, hogy jó hangulat legyen.
Terrific result on Saturday, and I think the whole of Wales were kind of had their heart in their mouths when results were coming in from the other games. What thoughts on how you and the boys were feeling on the plane home?
Yeah, similar. Obviously, we knew that we had obviously the high of winning the game, and then when Slovakia go ahead, you fear the worst. But Croatia, fantastic at home, fantastic team. And they showed their quality. So, yeah, we needed favours. We've got that favour now. We need to capitalise, and it's in our hands. It's a great challenge for us. It's an exciting challenge, but we need to finish the job, like I said, which will, it'll be a very, very difficult game.
Just talk to us about...
Szombaton nagyon jó volt a hangulat, ugye, és jöttek be a hírek a másik meccsről, a horvát-szlovák meccsről is. Milyen lesz itthon játszani? Nagyon nagy a várakozás. A horvátok otthon nagyon jól játszanak, de szerencsére kedvezett nekünk az a meccs eredménye, és a saját kezünkben van a sorsunk, és ahogy említettem, be kell fejezni a munkát.
Talk to us about, obviously, you've made a few surprise selections, maybe the fans would say, but especially on Saturday, leaving Ramsey on the bench. It raised a few eyebrows on social media. But when the likes of Joe Morrell perform like they do, does it just emphasise kind of your thinking about this Wales team and the belief you have in all the squad?
No, you have to weigh up, all the situations, and then go with what you feel right. You don't always get it right. You get it wrong sometimes, but it was a difficult decision because of the quality that certain players bring. But we had to look at the overall picture about minutes that have been played, and also it's not easy with half an eye on Tuesday as well. So it worked out well for us in the end. But yeah, it's not easy when you do pick a team, because, like I say, you don't always get it right.
Néhány meglepetésszerű húzása volt az előző meccsen, például Ramsey ugye a padon maradt, és ez sok embert meghökkentett. Ez elárul-e valamit az ő felfogásáról a csapattal kapcsolatban? Azt mondja, hogy minden döntést külön egyenként kell meghozni az adott helyzetben. Nehéz döntés volt, de végül jól sült el, és amikor így döntött, akkor már félszemmel a keddi meccsre gondolt, de jól jöttek ki belőle, hogy Ramsey végül a padon maradt.
Obviously tomorrow night it has to be a win. Just talk about the mindset that you and your players are going through, and obviously the experience you've had of previously going through those, almost like Champions League finals, etc.
Yeah, we just have to show the belief that we've shown and the quality, and be brave on the ball. We've got some good players, and but we recognise we're up against a team who are organised, who will be tough to break down, but also need to win as well. So it's going to be an exciting night, I think, one that all the players are looking forward to. But yeah, we just need to show the quality that we've shown lately. We have got that momentum. We've shown lots of quality. I think we'll have to be better than we were the other night if we are going to win. But I believe in the players. I believe in the group of players that we've got and the qualities that they possess.
Ugye egyértelműen nyerni kell. Holnap mi jár a fejedben ennyi tapasztalattal a hátad mögött? Hinnünk kell, minőség, bátorság, ezek a kulcsszavak, jó játékosaim vannak, hiszek bennük. Az ellenfél nehéz, mert szervezett, viszont mindenki várja a holnapi meccset, és jobban kell teljesíteni, mint az előző meccsen.
Ryan, after the defeat to Hungary in the summer, did you have to have a rethink over the style of play and the principles that you wanted your team to play? Because there seems to have been a notice since then. And also, was the Belarus friendly a surprise catalyst?
No, I mean, it was difficult in the summer because 2 tough away games. Croatia, they don't get beat at home. In a stadium they'd never been beat. 6 weeks after the season finished for a lot of the lads, championship players. So it was difficult circumstances, and I thought we played well and could have got something out of that game. Hungary was a big disappointment, but again, it was difficult circumstances. Players weren't playing regularly. So far, 2 away games on the trot, never been known. So it was difficult. And then, we had to obviously try and win and get ourselves back in the group, whether it be draws or whether it be wins like we have done. So, it was difficult, but I still, like I just said, I believed in the players. I believed in the quality that we've got. And since then, since after the Azerbaijan game, we have shown our quality, and we've shown momentum. Which, again, I said after the game the other night, which isn't easy, that momentum in international football, because you don't know what players you're going to get, you don't know if they're going to be playing or not, what sort of form they're in, suspensions, and you have to deal with all that. So, very much so, it's a juggling act a lot of the time. And you need that little bit of luck as well, which any team needs.
A magyar vereségre utalva a nyáron, ott újra kellett gondolni a szervezést, és utaltak a belorusz meccsre is. Azt mondja, hogy a nyár az nagyon nehéz volt, ugye 2 meccsünk volt idegenben, Horvátországban és Magyarországon. Horvátországban eleve nehéz nyerni, Magyarország pedig nagy csalódás volt, hogy ott kikaptunk. Alig ért véget a bajnokság, fel kellett állni, nehéz volt, de hittünk magunkban, és hiszek a játékosaimban. Az azerbajdzsáni meccs óta viszont mellettünk van a momentum és a minőség, és a játékosokon múlik elsősorban, de mindig szerencse is kell, és ez egy kicsit mindig zsonglőrködés, hogy alakulnak a dolgok.
Right, Ryan, this must be the biggest game of your managerial career tomorrow. Has Sir Alex been in touch?
No. He wished me good luck the other day for the game, which he always does, but apart from that, no.
A kérdés arra vonatkozik, hogy ez a legnagyobb meccse ugye az életében valószínűleg, is a felesége ez mit szólt, és azt mondta, hogy csak szerencsét kívánt neki, mint mindig.
Hi Ryan, you've spoken about the fearlessness of young players. Is that one of the lessons from your own playing career, breaking through as a teenager?
I mean, I got given a chance as a young player, so I believe that if you give young players the chance, if you believe in their quality, that they won't let you down. But age doesn't really matter to me, whether older players or younger players. It's the quality that you've got to show on the pitch and a good attitude. So, that's never been a problem for me.
A kérdés a fiatalokra vonatkozik, hogy a saját tapasztalatából merít-e, amikor őket játszatja, és azt mondja, hogy igen, ő is kapott lehetőséget, amikor fiatal volt, valójában nem a kora döntő, hanem a tapasztalat és hozzáállás kérdés az egész.
regard to team selection tomorrow night, post-match out in Baku, you did obviously suggest Ramsey could come in. The team did so well out there. If you were to change the lineup and bring him in, presumably that would be a pretty tough, possibly ruthless call on some of the lads who started the other night.
Yeah, I mean, will be tough picking the team, but you just take everything into account. You know, players who've shown form, obviously, how they've recovered after the game. Like I touched on at the beginning, minutes played. You know, are they fresh? Can they go again? And also the subs are going to be important as well. It's not just about the 11 players because of the short turnaround. So all these things you have to take into account, and the team that you're playing against, you know, where you think you can hurt them. So take all them things into account. But yeah, it won't be easy because there's a lot of players who played well the other night, and you know, players who can potentially come in and do a job.
Az összeállításra vonatkozóan a kérdés úgy hangzott, hogy ha Ramsey beáll, már pedig ez várható, akkor a többiek erre hogy fognak reagálni, vagy mi várható, hiszen ők jól játszottak és kezdtek az előző meccsen. Azt mondja, hogy ez nehéz, de dönteni kell ilyen helyzetben. Mindent figyelembe kell venni, a formát, ki az, aki friss, hány percet játszott, de a cserék is fontosak, azt se szabad elfelejteni. Mindezt figyelembe kell venni, és Magyarországot is, hogy mi a gyenge pontjuk.
Thank you. Thanks.
Best of luck.